sir. Yes, sir. Hella nice. Hella nice. Hella nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Buttery. I know your favorite YouTubers like to use that special Instagram filter, but these are not as blue purple as you may have seen on previous videos. Icy Souls. And by the way, these are courtesy of the Sneakers app. Didn't take me long to get the notification that I won. So I'm gonna make a quick video. These are a size 14. I can't show you that, but I can show you the box. It's a box you've all seen before. There you go. Check out the other shoe. Sir, I love it. I do wish there was a 23 there, but beggars can't be choosers, right? Deuces.